Here it goes. One. This is Colby. Going to ride his motorcycle. If he can get it cranked. Uh-oh. Got my camcorder working and now it won't crank. Is it out of gas? Uh-oh. Maybe I need to click off. You don't keep bouncing it around, it's going to quit on your butt sweat, son. There it goes. Rev up, rev up. Wait a minute.
What?
Wait a minute.
What?
Whoa, why'd you let it cut off? Daggone, what's wrong with it?
Out of gas.
Oh, great. So now I got to shut it off again. Whoa, Beaner. Not the best recorder in the world. Let's get her. Oops, here we go. I'm in the trees, people. My vision's not the best. There he is down the street.